Hello students, in last lecture we discussed about the microscopy and its principle. Now in this lecture, today we are going to discuss about the types of microscopy. There are two types of microscopy, light microscopy and electron microscopy. In that first, light microscopy. Light microscopy is a type of microscopy in which magnification is obtained by a system of optical lenses using light waves. तो लाइट माइक्रोस्कोपी में ऑप्टिकल लेंसेज के सिस्टम होती है और लाइट इज यूज्ड एज अ सोर्स ऑफ इल्यूमिनेशन. In this light microscopy, we will discuss the four types of microscopy: bright field microscopy, dark field microscopy, phase contrast microscopy, and fluorescent microscopy. One by one, we will discuss all these four types of microscopy. Now the second type of microscopy, electron microscopy. It is a type of microscopy in which magnification is obtained by a system of electromagnetic lenses using beam of electrons. So electron microscopy में electromagnetic lenses यूज किए जाते हैं और source of illumination electrons होते हैं. In electron microscopy, we do the study of two types of microscopy: transmission electron microscopy and scanning electron microscopy. So when we observe the difference between electron microscopy and light microscopy, here we see that in light microscopy optical lenses are used, whereas in electron microscopy electromagnetic lenses are used. In light microscopy, source of illumination is light, whereas in electron microscopy source of illumination are electrons. Now coming to our light microscopy, we know that in light microscopy there are four types of microscopy: bright field microscopy, dark field microscopy, phase contrast microscopy, and fluorescence microscopy. In that we are going to discuss the bright field microscopy. Bright field microscope is also known as the compound light microscope. Bright field microscope is an optical microscope that uses light rays to produce a dark image against a bright background. तो ब्राइट फील्ड माइक्रोस्कोपी में जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट देखते हैं तो हमें ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज डार्क दिखती है और बैकग्राउंड जो है वो ब्राइट दिखता है. दैट मीन्स इमेज अपीयर्स डार्क अगेंस्ट ए bright background, and that's why it is called as a bright field microscope. Now see the image of tissue section which is observed under the compound microscope. In this image we observe the blue colored and purple colored cells and the background is brightly illuminated. That means under compound microscope, when we observe the stained specimens, we observe the colorful cells and the background appears brightly illuminated, and that's why it is the image of bright field microscopy. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.